So you need to go up into the URL and type in classroom.google.com. And from there, let that finish loading. You're going to want to go over on the side here to sign in and click Google Classroom. And then this is where you're going to sign in. So you will sign in with your lunch number and then at portlandschools.org. So mine's a little different. So mine says Kenny, I'm student, but yours will be your lunch number and then at portlandschools.org. And then you click next. And then you type in your password. So your password is your 6-letter tech code that your crew teacher gave you. And then you'll get a page that looks kind of like this without this example classroom. Okay, and you'll click the plus button and join. And the next slide in the presentation will show you how to join a class.